Hasselblad XCD 38mm f2.5 lens, the wide-angle beast nobody warned you about. Feel like your creativity is trapped in quicksand? You line up the perfect shot, only to get crushed by distortion, fuzzy edges, and tools that just won't cooperate. Hours wasted, motivation down the drain, and that creeping frustration. Like, why does every lens make things harder instead of smoother? It's exhausting, overwhelming, and honestly, enough to make you question the grind. Now pile on brutal pressure, stress stacking up like laundry, and burnout lurking around every corner. You miss golden moments because your gear can't keep up. Opportunities slip through your fingers. Your workflow feels like a battlefield, and the pressure of good enough becomes unbearable. The pain of unreliable tools isn't just inconvenient. It's career-threatening, soul-draining, and makes passion feel like punishment. The Hasselblad XCD 38mm f2.5 to 32 lens arrives as the wide-angle savior that flips frustration into firepower. With 10 precision-crafted elements in 9 groups, including 3 aspherical and 3 ED elements, this lens delivers jaw-dropping clarity and distortion-free perfection. Its f2.5 aperture shines in low light, giving you creamy bokeh and control that feels almost unfair. Weighing just 350 grams, it's lightweight yet rock solid, ideal for on-the-go storytelling. Seamlessly syncing with Hasselblad's X system and 907X cameras, its leaf shutter lets you capture motion at 0.002 of a second, flash sync included. Imagine this, standing on a cliff at sunset, seconds from losing the light. Click. The XCD 38mm nails the shot, crisp horizon, glowing tones, zero stress. That's not hype. That's a game-saving reality. So why is everyone raving? Because this isn't just a lens, it's a productivity cheat code for creators. Landscapes, tack sharp and immersive. Street shots, fast, silent AF that feels psychic. Studio, that leaf shutter sync keeps strobes flawless. Reviews from Pro Photography magazine hail it one of the sharpest wide angles ever made. Influencers call it the lens that lives on my X1D. Users gush, compact, quiet, insanely sharp. Even skeptics admit the build is tank-strong, yet feather-light. Imagine workflows streamlined to the point where you feel laser-focused, pressure-free, almost in flow state. Colors sing, lines stay clean, and the files wow. Like velvet for your eyes. And here's the kicker. This lens keeps up with sensors over 100 megapixels, so you'll outshoot gear upgrades for years. Is it overkill? Maybe. But then again, why settle when the best is literally within reach? Don't just take my word. See what thousands of shooters already know. Limited stock is flying. Don't wait. Don't overthink. This isn't just gear. It's your golden ticket to clarity, control, and shots you'll brag about for life. Secure your Hasselblad XCD 38mm f2.5 today before it vanishes into sold-out limbo. Join the wave of creators already crushing it. Act now, because opportunities don't knock twice. Your masterpiece deserves this lens. Grab it, own it, and shoot like tomorrow isn't promised.